हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इन्फोटेक में आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज मैं आपके सामने फिर से ले आया हूँ आपका न्यूज़ सेशन। और बिना कुछ टाइम वेस्ट करते हुए चलो चलते हैं फर्स्ट न्यूज़ पे। रेजोल्यूशन री इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन यूएस कांग्रेस टू अवार्ड कांग्रेचुअल gold medal to Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi would be the first Indian to receive a Congressional Gold Medal, an honor bestowed upon great figures as George Washington, Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King Jr., Mother Teresa, and Rosa Parks. The prestigious Congressional Gold Medal to Mahatma Gandhi is given posthumously in recognition of his promotion of peace and non-violence. Also, the medal is the highest civilian award in the United States. Let's come to the next news. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurates world's second largest refurbished National Gene Park. Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated the world's second-largest refurbished National Gene Bank at the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, Pusa, New Delhi. The Gen Bank was established in 1996 to preserve the seeds of plant genetic resources for future generations. It has the capacity to preserve about 10 lakh germplasm in the form of seeds. Next news. Doordarshan launched season 2 of Rag Rag Mein Ganga. Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur jointly launched the second season of the popular series Ganga. The first episode will be broadcast from 21st of August on Doordarshan. The purpose of the program is to inculcate a sense of responsibility towards this holy river in the people. Next news. President confers Shaurya Chakra Award to gallant defense personnel. President Ramnath Kovind has conferred the Shaurya Chakra on the Air Force officers. Wing Commander Varun Singh Flying, who is a pilot in a light combat aircraft squadron, for the act of exceptional gallantry. Air Force Officer Group Captain Parminder Antil, who is the commanding officer of Su-30 Mki Squadron, has also been conferred with Shaurya Chakra. Next news. Tribal women making Rakhis with seeds of indigenous trees under Vriksha Bandhan project. In a unique initiative, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, in the partnership with the Art of Living Foundation, Aurangabad, Maharashtra, launched Vriksha Bandhan project, where 1,100 tribal women are creating Rakhis for Raksha Bandhan with seeds of indigenous trees, which is a unique contribution to increasing forest cover and combating climate change. Next news. India in 32nd position in finding innovative solutions to fight COVID-19. India fell 6 spots to the 32nd place in the global coronavirus innovation rankings for countries, as per a report prepared by startup Blink in association with Health Innovation Exchange (UNAIDS). The report features the top-ranked 40 countries and 100 cities in the world based on innovative solutions developed to face the pandemic. 3 notable innovations in India. Also, there are One Breath for treatment, Care Mother for diagnostic, and vaccines. Next news. Malaysia's PM Muhyiddin Yassin resigns as political crisis escalates. Malaysia's Muhyiddin Yassin has stepped down as Prime Minister after months of political turmoil culminated in the loss of his majority. Mr. Muhyiddin's departure comes less than 18 months after taking office and will plunge the country into fresh crisis amid a worsening pandemic. His deputy, Ismail Sabri, to succeed Mr. Muhyiddin and keep the government intact. Next news, and the very famous one. Messi signs for Paris Saint-Germain after leaving Barcelona. Lionel Messi joined star-packed Paris Saint-Germain after leaving Barcelona, the club where he had begun, after 21 years. Messi, a six-time winner of the Ballon d'Or for Europe's best soccer player, signed a two-year contract with an option for a third year. Paris Saint-Germain Football Club, commonly referred to as PSG. Next news. Puducherry celebrates its de jure transfer day. Puducherry, on 16th of August, celebrated its de jure transfer day. Speaker of the Puducherry Assembly R. Selvam paid floral tributes at the memorial in Kuzur, a remote hamlet in Puducherry, where the transfer of power took place on the same day in 1962. De jure transfer day is the day it really got independence. The then Pondicherry was under French control while after 1947. Next news. RBI to levy penalty on ATMs that run out of cash. RBI has asked banks and white label automated teller machine operators to put in place a robust system that will allow them to monitor the availability of cash in ATMs. The central bank has introduced a scheme of penalty for non-replenishment of ATMs, wherein the banks and the white label ATM operators will be penalized in the event of cash outs beyond the permissible time. Let's come to the final news of today's news session. Ghana appoints Sandeep Lodha as CEO. Music streaming app Ghana has announced the appointment of Sandeep Lodha as CEO. Lodha moves from Oyo's Weddings, in where he was CEO. He replaces Prashant Agarwal, who moved on from the company earlier this year. The company has also appointed former Times Internet executives Vivek Pandey as COO and Ram Avasthi as CTO. With this, we end our today's news session. I hope you all liked it. If you do like it, please hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for daily updates, and also share it with your friends and families and needful people. I will bring the videos daily and for you guys, and please subscribe and like it, and do share it. Thank you and have